Greetings to all and welcome to the Contingency Plan. This is a remake of a video I made a while back because I thought it sucked. As some of you may know, I am a proponent of traveling at night during a shit hits the fan situation for several reasons. Not everyone agrees with me, which is fine, but that's how I'm going to move from point A to point B when shit goes high and to the right. I don't want anyone traveling at night if they're not comfortable doing so. Do whatever feels best. I have an entire video about travel at night, so I won't get into detail as to why I feel this is the best option. This video is in regards to an item that, if it is not already a part of your bug out bag, I feel that it should be. Whether you choose to move during the day or at night, one thing you will come across consistently are fences. If you stay off roads, which I highly suggest, you are going to come across dozens of them. The question you need to ask yourself is this: if you are carrying a bug out bag, firearm, and whatever other items you feel are necessary to travel with, are you willing to risk injury, climbing over fences, or wasting valuable time removing all of your items, tossing them over the fence, climbing over the fence, then putting all of your gear back on? Many of these fences will be made of barbed wire, and even those that aren't are going to be dangerous to climb over. Any injury in such a situation, whether it be a sprain, break, or laceration, is going to be very bad. You're going to want to avoid any types of infection in such a scenario, and in my opinion, climbing fences is an injury just waiting to happen. My solution is simple, and that is to carry a pair of bolt cutters on you as part of your bug out travel kit. Rather than climbing over each fence you come to, simply cut it and walk right on through. Clearly the kids shown here are challenged, but imagine trying to do this in the middle of the night while carrying several items. A lot of people object to this, either because they don't want to destroy property, or they themselves live in a rural area and have fences of their own, and therefore are against cutting through them. I'm not talking about a Sunday stroll through the countryside and cutting through fences. This is a shit hits the fan scenario, where it's very likely kill or be killed. You shouldn't give two shits about cutting through a fence when the alternative could mean serious injury at the very least. I suggest cutting through the fence and whistling a happy tune as you do so. Thank you for watching, and God bless each one of you. Peace.